Upgrading your space? Pero nalilito ka, PVC or WPC? Let's find out which works best for your space in this episode of This or That. Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Maya, the materials engineer here at Decocity. On This or That, we explore the pros and the cons of different materials so that you can decide which fits your home better. On this episode of This or That, we are exploring Decocity's most popular products, WPC and PVC. Quick background, Decocity offers a wide range of finishing solutions. From PVC ceiling panels like seamless, V-groove, DU-groove, TU-groove, and soffits, to WPC products for both indoor and outdoor use. These include wall panels, columns, and decking. These materials can be used across ceilings, walls, cabinets, even kitchens. Basically, complete home solutions. But here's the real question. Between PVC and WPC, which is more resistant to fire, rot, and moisture? Which is more durable, customizable, and worth the price? Let's dive in. First up, PVC. It's a widely used construction material, best known for pipes, but it's also great for walls or ceilings. It comes in a variety of finishes and colors, making it suitable for living spaces, kitchens, and even bathrooms. But why is it so popular? Naturally waterproof, mold and mildew resistant. Perfect for humid areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Affordable alternative to traditional materials. Plus, it's low maintenance. Wipe with a damp cloth and it's clean. Lightweight. Super easy to transport and install. Variety of options. Available in many profiles, colors, and finishes that can even mimic natural materials. Fire resistant. Quick note for everyone, not all PVCs are fire resistant and have varied fire ratings. Now the cons. Risk of toxic fumes. Although some PVCs are fire resistant, PVC can emit toxic fumes if burned. Heat sensitive. It may warp under high temperatures, so better use LED lights instead of hot bulbs. Now, let's talk about WPC or wood plastic composites. This material is made by combining wood fibers with recycled plastics. Eco-friendly yet durable. Today, it's one of the top choices for outdoor construction, like outdoor decking and outdoor wall cladding. At Decocity, WPC comes in two categories: Decolite for indoor and Trevo for outdoor. Trevo is built to handle sun exposure, UV rays, and heavy rains. Perfect for the tropical climate here in the Philippines. So why choose WPC? Versatility. Whether for walls, ceilings, doors, or cabinetry, there's a lot of aspects where WPC can upgrade your home. More than just living in a house, WPC turns your space into a place worth living in. Lower maintenance costs in the long run. Yes, it's pricier upfront, but you save more because you don't need constant maintenance. Aesthetic appeal. It looks and feels like real wood, but without the issue of rotting, molds, or termite attacks. Weatherability. Decocity's Trevo line of outdoor WPC has an excellent resistance to moisture and the sun, making it a safe choice for wall and decking applications. Downsides. Price. Higher initial price compared to the traditional materials. Potential discoloration. Although with UV coating, colors may fade over time due to exposure to direct sunlight. This is due to the presence of tannins in the wood fibers. Difficult to repair. Damaged panels often require full replacement. Paint application. It is not advisable to paint over WPC since the surface is already laminated with textures. So, which one should you choose? PVC or WPC? Well, the answer is, it depends on where you'll use it. PVC and WPC are excellent building materials that not only add extra durability to your home, but also add aesthetic value. Here are some examples of Decocity projects shared by our clients. Fluted panels can be used on doors to hide rooms or hallways. These can even be designed continuously from wall to ceiling for a seamless look. On another note, WPC indoor columns can be used for a baffle ceiling to make your interiors look more interesting. But for the outdoors, WPC, especially the treble line, is the clear winner. It's more durable, UV resistant, and weatherproof. Treble products such as outdoor sidings, deckings, fluted panels, and columns are good options to choose from. As an example, for a recent project in Lipa, Batangas, one of our clients used WPC siding for their outdoor columns. This is just one of the endless possibilities of using WPC for your home. As for PVC, Decocity's PVC ceiling panels are commonly used for ceiling applications, wall cladding, and columns. Another example is one of the chapels we visited, again in Lipa, Batangas. So, to sum it all up, if you're focusing on indoor applications and you care about affordability and ease of maintenance, then both PVC and WPC are great choices. But if you want strength, style, and long-term value for your outdoor spaces, WPC is the winner. As a general note for all builders and homeowners, all of our outdoor products can be used for indoor applications. So, PVC or WPC, which one fits your home the best? Comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more this or that home tips. Once again, I am Engineer Maya. Shaping modern spaces, this is Decocity. It's more resistant to water, fire. I was like, water. Wait. Yeah, I was like, wait. Water.